Hello, and welcome back to our webinar tutorial series, bringing you everything you need for great webinars. Today, we'll talk about one of the additional features available on webinar.net, advanced editing, also known as the lab. If you are using the pre-recorded live or on-demand setting to prepare your presentations and record them ahead of time, the lab will be the best addition to your arsenal, as our video editing tool will allow you to edit the videos that you record within the platform. To access the lab, go to your webinar account and open the My Webinars folder. From there, select the three dots and you will see the option for advanced editing. Please note that this option will only appear if you both the additional feature and the webinar you are selecting is set as pre-recorded live or an on-demand webinar. Without these options, the option for advanced editing will not appear. After you click on the advanced editing option, a new window will appear and you will see the presentation media files you have recorded in the platform. There are a couple of very important options on this page. On the left-hand side, you will be able to find the advanced editing button. This can be accessed at any time and will bring you back to this page if you are editing a video. In the middle, you will see your pre-recorded videos with a small preview screenshot of what's been recorded. Left to the screenshot, you will see an icon resembling three horizontal lines. You can use it to drag and drop the videos to rearrange the order. Bear in mind that the order you select here is the order in which your videos will play during your presentation. Now, if you check the right side of the screen, you will see the Edit button that will allow you to make different changes, like removing part of the video, changing the volume, or replacing a slide from your PowerPoint presentation. And as usual, you will see the Help button at the bottom right side of the screen. If you click on the Edit button, you will see different options that will allow you to edit your presentation. You will notice two windows at the top left. The one at the left is a media player that will display what was recorded with the camera and the microphone. The one on the right will display the contents of your presentation: slides, videos, polls, URLs, or screen sharing. Both are synchronized and will start displaying their contents at the same time. Right next to that, you will see the settings Adjust Volume, Cut Head and Tail, and Replace Slides. Adjust Volume will show you a volume control. This will be at maximum volume by default. If one of your videos is louder than the others, you can adjust the volume here. Cut Head and Tail is a quick option to select the start time or the end time of the video. Replace Slides allows you to exchange a previously recorded slide for a new one. This option comes in handy when you notice that one of your slides has an error after you record the video. This will save you time, as you won't need to do a new recording with the correct slide. At the bottom of the page, you will see the timeline and edit timing options. Timeline is a visual representation of your webinar. Here, you can see when slides, video clips, polls, URLs, and/or screen share actions have been recorded. And if you press the Cut button, you can select which part of the timeline you want to remove from the video. Be careful when doing this. If an event was included there, it will be deleted, so this may cause you to skip slides in your presentation. If you click one of the colored dots, you'll be able to edit the timing by increasing or decreasing the time using the arrows, or choosing to remove the action from the recording. Edit Timing helps you to update your webinar actions and include jump points for your audience to index while watching the webinar on demand. Here you can see the times where slides, video clips, polls, URLs, and/or screen share actions have been recorded. Adjust the time manually and click Save Changes. Finally, above these options, to the right, you will find the indicator of the number of edits performed on the video, and if those are drafts, or if they have already been saved. You will also find three very important buttons. The Reset button will return the video to the status it was at the time you press the Edit button. So if you have made changes on a previous edit session, you will not lose those changes, but any changes you have made in the current edit session will be removed. Publish is the option to select when you are sure of all the changes you performed and are ready to save. Once pressed, it will upload the changes to the server. Once completed, you will see a message indicating that the changes were saved. Reset All will return the video to the way it was when it was first recorded, undoing any changes you have made in advanced editing, including the current session and previous sessions. And that's all on advanced editing for now. If you are interested in learning more, please check our next videos where we explain in depth how to use these options. Thanks, and see you in the next video in our series.